Hello everyone, I am Priyanka Lakheda and for today's presentation I'll talk about a K-pop band BTS. I'll also try to persuade my audience to listen to their songs. First, allow me to give you a brief introduction of BTS. BTS is the biggest K-pop group internationally and it doesn't look like they're stopping anytime soon. In the 7 years since their K-pop debut in 2013, BTS has achieved the prominence and recognition that artists in the Korean entertainment industry aspire to but seldom attain. The group is made up of 7 members: Jin, Suga, J-Hope, RM, the leader of the group, Jimin, V, and Jungkook, who come from all over South Korea. Their popularity is not confined to one region or even continent, as the 7 member act are global in every sense of the word. Now, let's talk about global success of BTS. In 2019, they scored their first Grammy nomination for Best Recording Package and presented an award at the ceremony. That same year, they also became the first Korean band to perform on Saturday Night Live and appeared in the annual Time 100, along with winning the magazine's reader poll for the second year in a row. In September 2018, BTS again made headlines for becoming the first K-pop music group to address the United Nations. RM, who is the leader of the band, spoke about overcoming insecurities and urged other young people to do the same. According to Billboard, their album Love Yourself Tears, which is sung in Korean, became the first primarily foreign language #1 album in over 12 years. So, what makes BTS so special and different from other bands? Over the years, BTS has made a significant mark in the world of internet with impressive lyrics, high-end videos, and compelling choreography. You should listen to them because their discography is so diverse. They cover so many important topics in their music, including mental health, self-love, acceptance, and societal issues. They made sure that their artistic approach seems unique to the audience. In order to achieve that, they have focused on creating attractive music videos using amazing dance routines. Their live show have been equally popular because of their energetic performance, eye-popping fashion sense, and slick choreography. To conclude, I would say that with upbeat, catchy music and lyrics, it's no wonder the boys of BTS have conquered the global music industry in a way few other artists have managed. The key to BTS success is emotional resonance, sincerity, and an army of fans. Unlike the majority of North American boy bands, the group features with different talents including singing, rapping, and dancing. Their versatility enables them to produce a wide range of music. Even on stage, BTS is never just singing, it's always a performance. So, it's fair to say BTS is the K-pop band that is taking over the world. Here is a list of all references which I used in my presentation. Thank you for watching my presentation and I'll be looking forward for your feedback.